My dear students, today we are discussing about the effect of radiation and drugs and chemicals. Effect of radiation, drugs and chemicals in the duration of the pregnancy. So, first of all, we will discuss about the effect of radiation. So, effect of radiation, it is every healthy woman without a personal or family history, of reproductive or development problem begins as a pregnancy with a three present risk for the birth defects uh, in the uh, in the birth defects. And the next one, these three are the one is the radiation, drugs and chemicals. These three are the mainly involved in the miscarriage. So how to miscarriage the healthy woman without any family history, without any reproductive development problems. So sometimes a woman going to abortion like miscarriage. So how radiation, drugs and chemicals. So these background risks are for healthy pregnant women. It is also for men and women. It is concerned about the radiation exposed to have had made to affect the development their sperms. So these effects, the radiation, drugs and chemicals, effect in the sperm and eggs sperm and eggs. So, sperm and eggs, the risk genetic diseases occur with the exposed to the radiation. And in here, what are there different types of radiations are occur? So, what are there? First one is the ionizing radiation. Ionizing radiation, ionizing radiation, and electromagnetic radiation, EMR. Produces these two are produced by the X-ray mission. So these two are the X-ray missions. It produces the EMR and IR. These two also involved in the miscarriage. And radiation exposed to the radiation is the radiation exposed to the baby, means fetus. So, exposed to the fetus can occur pregnant women exposed to the radiation from the diagnostic back or pelvic or abdominal scanning. So, pelvic scanning, abdominal scanning, abdominal scanning, or any other different types of scanning are occur at the duration of the pregnancy. At that moment, the ionizing radiation and EMR both are it causes the miscarriage. And most diagnostics are expose the how much of radiation exposed. So in case of 50 MV, less than 50 MV SV1, this is the level of radiation, no problem. In case of increases this one value, it leads to the birth defects are occur. And about 200 value, about this 200 value, it leads to the miscarriage. So X-ray scanning, which type of scannings are occur? So X-ray scanning, X-ray studies in the bladder function, X-ray studies in the gallbladder function, X-ray study in the structure and functions of uterus tube, X-ray studies in the pelvic. So first one is the pelvic, gallbladder and bladder functions, abdominal scanning, X-rays, and these all are the involved in there. It leads to the effect of the radiation. It leads to the miscarriage. So these first one is the X-ray occur in the 2 weeks post conception and the second week from the menstrual period. So means 6th week to 8th week time done this particular scanning. And the next one, second one is the third from the 3rd to 8th week of pregnancy. 3rd to 8th week of pregnancy, study about the birth defects. And 8th to 15th week, study about the central nervous system. Here study about the development of baby. And in here any malforming occur in the body, that's one is studied with the using of the radiation. and at the 20th week of the pregnancy also identify the any problems are occur in the body. That's one is detected. In this condition increases this particular above 50 and below 50 no problem at all, and above 200 it leads to the miscarriage, and between 250 to 200 volume it leads to the some birth defects. This is about the effect of the radiation. And say the next one is the effect of drugs. Effect of drugs. So what are the drugs? These are the consumption of the illegal drugs. So illegal drugs are the for the not safe for unborn baby. At the these what are there? First one is the cocaine. So the cocaine is this cocaine, it is the cross the placenta. Placenta is presented in between of baby and mother. So placenta and it entering to the baby circular system, baby circulation, and these are the cocaine is entering into the baby, and according to the organization of the Teratology Information Service, OTIS organization, Teratology Information Service, during the early months of pregnancy, cocaine expose may increases the risk of miscarriage. And the next one more drug, that one is a heroin. So heroin, it is also cross the placenta. It is also cross the placenta, and it is. These heroin drugs increases the chance of the premature baby. It is the heroin once entering into the baby, it leads to the premature birth, and low weight, and breathing difficulties, respiratory system is difficult, and low blood sugar. So these type of symptoms are occur in the body of the baby, and irritability, convulsion, diarrhea, fever. These type of hair symptoms are identified in the baby. And the next one, methamphetamine. So the next one is a methamphetamine. So methamphetamine is a chemically related to the amphetamine. It related to the amphetamine. So which causes it leads to the heart. It is the increases the heart rate of the baby. Increases the heart rate of the baby. And the next one, it is the duration of the pregnancy. The mother take the methamphetamine. It relates to the similar to the scenes in the cocaine in the pregnancy. And the next one, it is involved in the it decreases the oxygen levels in the baby also. So this is about the some drugs of the effect of drugs in the duration of the pregnancy. And the next one, effect of chemicals. Effect of chemicals. What are the different types of chemicals are involved in there at the duration of the pregnancy? It leads to the miscarriage. So first one is the tobacco. So the tobacco, it is it leads to the cause the cancer. It leads to cause the cancer, and harmful to unborn baby. And cigarette smoked by pregnant women, then unborn baby, it is 20 minutes of the proper amount of oxygen needed by the baby grow and develop, means it decreases the oxygen level in the baby. And the next one, the pregnant women who smoke run almost twice the risk having miscarriage compared to the pregnant women who do not smoke, means it leads to the more chances, 200% chances are miscarriage occur with the tobacco. And the next one, it is the alcohol. It is a very toxin. So it is pregnant woman drinks the alcohol rapidly, it reaches to the baby across the placenta. So this one is across the placenta. And drinking too much of alcohol during the pregnancy can permanently damage of the development's baby cells. So it affect on the cells, baby cells, and permanently changes. And the next one, it is also effect on the growth baby's face, effect on the face. And the next one, it results having learning difficult problems, movement of the coordination. So these type of symptoms are identified at the moment of the using of this alcohol at the duration of the pregnancy. And the caffeine, so caffeine, it is like a nicotine and alcohol, nicotine and alcohol. So these are the caffeine is also known as a this mainly it is involved in the it is involved in the miscarriage at the duration of the pregnancy. So why? Because of it mainly involved in the blood in the baby. And the next one, it decreases the oxygen levels in the baby. So caffeine also found in different types of foods also, like coal and beverages and different beans and bean seeds and plants. Some plants also occurs. The caffeine is occur, and it's mainly affected in the central nervous system of the baby. So this is about the caffeine. So some inhalants also, inhalants. So inhalants is the volatile solvents. Volatile solvents. The volatile solvents is the vapors inhalated because the field is the intoxicated. So some is the depressants. With the using of the depressants also it affected the baby. This is about the effect of the chemicals, effect of the drugs and radiation. So if you have any doubts from this topic, tomorrow we will discuss. Thank you.